What's going on, guys? I got Tyler here with me today. We got his brand new Ford Maverick. We're gonna be throwing a tonneau cover on it. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how it turns out. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's move on to the video.
I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time.
I got Tokes over here, and it looks like he got a new toy, more for the daily purposes, but it's still a sweet ride. If you don't know what it is, it's a Ford Maverick. They're fairly new. This is the first year, right?
Yep, 2022.
There's an interesting story. He ordered one a long time ago. This one ended up coming through, but it was someone else's. They didn't like it, so he ended up getting this one for the time being. But this one uniquely matches another car that he got that, if you watch another video, you might have seen. But today he came over. It's a little chilly out. It's December now. But now he's got a little truck with a little bed, so he's got to put a little tonneau cover on. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Doesn't look like it's too bad of a install. It says you just need a ratchet and some double-sided tape, the clamps, and the rails. Took this little gate off. It's actually pretty cool. Just slides out of these little clips. But so we're going to throw this tonneau cover on, check it out, and then just check out the car.
I don't know if it is it talking about the
Oh yeah, it's
bottom?
talking like underneath.
Like this.
Yeah. So it comes with a bunch of weather stripping. Looks like those ones are gonna be for the corner. Kind of weather stripping, more of like, yeah, it's like a seal. This one I think goes in the back over there. Started off strong, had these on the wrong side. Now they're on the right sides. Next step is we just place it up there, I guess.
Yeah, your little boy ain't no little kid now. Celebrate it when you make it, now they say congratulations. I've been riding, I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time. How you supposed to get it in this world if you don't try? If you want the greatness, it's gonna take you a long time. I survived through the struggle, I survived, had to hustle. I survived, look at me, yeah, I'm alive. Yeah, that's right, we survived all the pain, we survived all the doubt, we survived. Yeah, baby, we alive, we alive. Too many claim they ghosts, that's a self.
So it just so it doesn't matter the size.
No, yeah, I think it'll pop both. I think you push it down.
Oh, so you pull that one down, you push that one up. What do you pull down?
Let me pull it down. Yeah, mine's a trifold. I like the roll-up ones. Our old truck used to have that. Nice, dude. Let's take a nice little look at this truck. There's my new daily. He got a new daily. His daily's cooler. How are you liking it so far?
And I'm loving it.
How long have you had it?
It's only been like a week and a half, 2 weeks.
How is it on gas mileage?
I'm loving it. When I go to the gym, I get like 45, 55 miles per gallon.
Okay, and you're not really driving too far, so that's nice.
Highway, 30, 35, all depends on how fast you're kind of drive, so still decent.
I don't know too much about these, so like what is this? Like which one? Like is it a certain package or?
Yeah, so this is the XLT hybrid Lux package. So it's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated mirrors. And then it also has Copilot 360, so it has like the blind spot monitors, and then like lane keep assist.
So tell me a little bit about the inside. Anything special in here?
Nothing really too special, just heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated mirrors. That's about it compared to the base package.
So is this like the top of the line one?
No, the top of the line one would be the Lariat, and that has leather seats. I think this is different color too. I'm actually not sure, but
okay,
it has a couple different things.
I like the interior on this.
Yeah, it's clean. storage compartment down there. Right here. If you have the gas one, that's all big. That's just the battery area right here.
How do you like it drivability wise though?
Oh, love it. It's smooth. You know, you sit up higher because the camera, you sit so low, you get blinded by headlights. This thing's nice. You don't get too blinded by headlights.
Yeah, it's cool. It's literally a truck, but not a truck kind of deal.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you gonna go for a spin?
Sure.
So like it's on right now, right?
Yeah. Can't even hear it.
Not used to these hybrid motors. We know SRAM is though.
So this is the mode button. You can change between modes. There's normal, tow, slippery, eco, and then sport. I usually leave it eco. Some people say slippery is better for gas mileage. I've kind of gotten the same, and I just like the way it feels in eco, so I drive like that. And then another cool feature, can't show you it yet, but is this button right here. It's the auto brake hold. So when you're at like a red light or something, you can take your foot off the brake. The car won't move anywhere. All you do is just tap the gas, and then it'll go forward again. You come to a complete stop. Take your foot off the brake. Nothing on. Still in drive. Just hold it there. Some of the newer Fords also have it. I'm not sure all of which ones do, but it's a unique feature that I've never had before.
So for like going from electric to gas, it's just automatic. Like you don't do anything.
No, you just drive and it charges. But there's certain ways to kind of trick the system. Go like 5 over, and then let off the gas and let it go down a couple, like 2 to 3 miles per hour, and it charges. And then you throw it on cruise control, and it'll stay in electric mode depending on like the type of road you're on. Like right now we're going up a hill, so I'm gonna have to use the hybrid, the actual motor going up a bit. But if you're coming down, I can throw it in cruise control, or if you're on a flat surface, it'd go into electric mode.
So the electric, does that kick in on the highway?
No,
Okay.
not that I've seen. It's more for like around town driving, rush hour traffic, just like 50 miles per hour and above. It doesn't really kick in at all,
Okay.
or it might kick in for a second or so. Yeah, now I haven't seen it even come close to going into electric on the highway. Right now, the blue thing is electric. If I were, get off the gas, so it's charging now, and then if I put my foot back on the gas, it'll go into electric mode. But that's also how you charge it. So you see this green thing, you don't want to go above it. When you go above it, you're not charging it. So you try to stay within that box, and it charges it better, versus if you didn't go into it, and it would just use the regular brakes. But see, now we're in all electric mode. We can coast to the sub, and we'll be in all electric mode, never have to use the gas.
So that's cool. So it's almost like a game.
Yeah, it is. It's I forgot what it's called, the Eco, there's something, Eco Tracker, something like that. Let's see if it has the name for it. Oh, EV Coach. So it's called EV Coach, and it just allows you to play around, and it's like a game, and I've used it ever since I got the car, and it's addicting.
The video prior to this one, we were in this sub. We were moving SRAM's G8 to his new house. So yeah, now we're just cruising around, checking out. They expanded the subdivision, so we're looking at all the weird houses. That one actually kind of looks nice.
All kind of like a farmhouse style, it seems, in this part of the sub, versus the other side is brick houses. This is like a new modern trendy style of like I don't know if you consider it modern or just farmhouse style.
Yeah, it's definitely what's in now.
So a neat little feature, when you turn the car off, it shows your gas mileage. Like that's the highest I've ever got. 57.9 miles per gallon, 3.5 miles we drove, 2.3 electric. So obviously we didn't drive crazy far, but that's still cool to see.
All right, bro. Well, thanks for showing us around the Maverick. It seems like a pretty sweet car.
I'll have to give you guys an update when I drive it a bit more, just to make sure we don't have the issues, but so far I'm loving it. So maybe we'll check back in at like 5,000 or 10,000 miles, because currently we're only at 633. So we got a little ways to go.
Still a fairly new vehicle.
Yes,
So
very new.
thanks again, man.
No problem.
We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
No, this survival. Them choppers, they be singing like a American Idol. How you saying you a god, but ain't write your own Bible? Hey, airline look plagiarized. Hallelujah, we stayed alive. Paid dues and I paid my tithes. New York, my state of mind. On the island, 50 miles from Manhattan. Either you gon' die of hunger or your pockets start to fatten. Everybody trying to live the fast life.
Better than the Camry?
Yeah, a little bit, I'd say.
All right, let's bounce. What's going on, guys? I got Tyler here. We got his brand new Ford Maverick. Today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover. Gotta think about what else I want to say here. What's going on, guys? I got Tyler here with me today. Let me just see how this looks.